These are the service elevators at a facility near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are original late 70s Otis. This one, this one's the fun one. Basement. And check it out. These have harsh stops. Well, at least this one does. Basement, shut on the indicator. There's the freight elevator, which I was on 4 earlier and moved to 5. I'll show you that. The freight elevator is an Otis black one with lovely power Otis doors. I think housekeeping is using that one, so we're not going to be able to do that one. Whoa, 5? Classic Otis tree door. Back on the 1. Don't think I can cut non-A phone. That says 1, but this is a car 9, I think. The basic 70s Otis cab. Go back to 1. Our closes and that's going to be it.